So this is my nighttime routine when I get home from work and how I have my hair curled for the next day. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a little bit of the crystal structure into my hair, and I want to kind of just get a little bit of moisture into the hair so it's a little bit damp, not soaking wet. And then I put a little bit of the luster, which is the oil for shine and radiance. So just put a little bit of that in my hands and run it through the ends. So, and then I will take my brush and just brush it through gently. Then, this is the best part. Our new Curls Night Out. It is wonderful. You will absolutely love it. So the first thing I do is take the nightcap, which looks like this, and I pull it over my neck. And then I'm just going to leave it here for now. And I just loosely section my hair down the middle. Just split it down the middle. And I'm ready to roll. Inside your Curls Night Out, you have 2 scrunchies, the foam roller, and a clip. So I just place it on the top of my head, take the clip, and you want to gently hold it in place, don't pull on your hair, and then you're going to take a section of the hair and wrap it around, and take another section of the hair and wrap it around, and just continue to do that all the way down. Extra, I'm just going to twist it up high and take my scrunchie and secure it with the elastic. Like so. Just want to hold it in place. So now this comes into play. We're going to pull it up like this, and then tuck the back, and then take out the clip because you don't need this anymore. Save that for tomorrow. Okay, so that's what I do, and I will reveal tomorrow what it's gonna look like. As you can see, I slept all night in my nightcap and my Curls Night Out, and it was uninterrupted. I've already worked out, showered, gotten ready for work. The last thing I'm gonna do is take this down. Just grab up here and kind of glide it off. And what do you think? Not yet. Before I brush it, I'm gonna take my oil, the luster, which smells so amazing. You guys will be in love. If your hands get dry, rub it on both sides and make sure your skin feels really good. Take my brush and just gently brush through. Okay. So in the morning to do my hair, literally, how long was that? So fast. You will love it. The curls last all day. We get compliments from everybody. Look at that. Oh, yes. Hair. Yay. Okay, so make sure you go online. If you don't live locally, you can go to ryanwaynehaircare.com and order it. We can ship it to you. You will not be disappointed. Try all the products and the tools. They are the best. Love y'all.